Hello friends, so Karthik Srinivas here. So we are getting a lot of enquiries, but people have got confused regarding what equipment to purchase for groundwater survey. So we have various kinds of equipments. So don't go with brand names, first understand the technology. So we have locators, profiling equipments, detection equipments, analyzing equipments. So all are different aspects and designed on different technologies. So today I'm going to give a clarity regarding what are the uses of this equipment's strategy. So first of all, why do we use a locator and what is the use of a locator? So the long range locator, what we all are using, is used only to detect a zone where there is a change in magnetic field. I'm speaking only about the scientific locators. So once we identify a location where we are having a change in magnetic field, then the next stage we can either use a profiler or we can use a detector. That is depending on the strategy of what we are going to use. So now we are going to differentiate what is a profiler and what is a detector. So profiling equipment is nothing but we are going to understand the changes in the lithological structure. So just we are going to scan one location, that is one station, and we are going to compare that station with the next station. So each and every station, when we are comparing one by one, we get a map based on the plot, that is called a contour plot. Based on the contour plot, we are going to distinguish and identify which location is having a low resistance zone. Only for this process we use a profiler. So next we use a detector. So detector is an equipment where we get the complete set of data, the transmitted data, the received data, the curve graph and a layer map. So that how we used in a profiler, we are going to compare the formational changes in between one point and other point, not between the layers. So in a detector system, we are going to compare the resistance in between layer by layer, that is for first layer, and the comparison between the second layer. For the second layer, comparison between the third layer. On this stage, we get a complete layer map. So using this layer map, we get a strategy of which layer we are having the low resistance. The next part is called the analyzer. So analyzer can give the complete report regarding the permeability status, the porosity status, the density status, and other stuffs depending on the technology what they have used. So these are the 4 different technologies what we have in the market today. So before purchasing any equipment, understand the technology. Once you understand the technology, we will come to know what is your requirement. Based on the requirement, we'll suitably judge you with this technology, will be matching your requirement, and you can use that equipment to get more accuracy and get succeeded in the market. Thank you very much.